In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get unlimited cloud storage trial on Google Drive. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Drive. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to upgrade. Here you're gonna find the storage bar showing how much of your 15 GB is used. This takes you to the storage screen where Google offers a special deal. If you cannot find that over here, what you can do is launch your preferred browser, navigate to this website, one.google.com. Over here, you're gonna find full details of your storage space. Likewise, head over to this one website. Here you're gonna find the Google special deal, 100 GB of cloud storage at a discount along with a free 3-month trial that works across Google Drive, Photos, and Gmail. Just go through these plans and decide which one you wanna give a try. Once you have selected, all you have to do is click on Start Trial, provide your payment details. Once you complete this process, your trial will be started. You won't be charged until the trial ends and your account instantly upgrades from 15 GB to 100 GB of space. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.